Hello. Today we're going to be drawing some life drawing poses. And we're going to have a little fun with it, and we're not going to take it too seriously. What is happening? Let's go with this pose. Now it is helpful with life drawing that you try to, loosen up. It's all about finding that movement, finding that rhythm, that playfulness to capture the pose. So, we don't want to get too tight too quickly, because if we start going into details, then we lose the overall form and the expressiveness and the balance. The first thing we're trying to establish is the correct balance so that everything fits, that it looks like the model is standing, or that the proportions are correct. And that's loose. You need it to be loose. But you also don't want to lose the expressiveness of the pose. So with this pose, she's like this, okay? She's almost dancing. She's light. She is moving. And we want to try and capture that. So we're keeping it really loose. We're going to go, where do we even start? Let's just try and we're going to blur the eyes a little bit and just try and capture the hand is coming back. She's got her hands up in the air and she does not care. That's what this pose is. Hands in the air and I don't care. The joy of not caring. I think, guys, sometimes we all care a little bit too much. So we're not worrying about details right now, just the overall shapes. Okay, now look at the tilt in this pelvis. Look at the way the body is twisting. So we're trying to capture that. And the way the hip here comes out and then down, so that we can capture that balance. What a great pose this is. What a great reference drawing. And out, the other side of the hip, leg down. Now we want to really establish this in this leg here, because this is what's going to create our... Now, unfortunately I've ran out of paper and that's not good. But I think we've managed to capture some of the expressiveness of the pose. And that's good enough. Not bad. Not bad. We can do better. Right, let's move on. Okay, next we're going to try using a Sharpie. Now this Sharpie is very, very thin, so it's going to just give us one thin line. So let's try this out. Just experimenting with different tools, okay? Because you don't want to just be always drawing with pencil, because you want to try out different mediums. Nothing wrong with pencil, by the way, but Okay. So jumping up into the air, about to hit the ball, okay? This person is feeling exuberant, okay? They're at the peak of their physical performance. We want to try and capture that moment. So there's a great arc in her back. Let's go there. Now, because we're using this pen, we don't have the ability to do light and then dark lines. It's all one continuous line, so it's going to be a different way of approaching that. Let's start with the curve in the back. And also, I need to start drawing smaller so that we can keep it in the page. Okay, here we go. We're going to add a little bit of flair as well. I'm going to actually enhance the drawing the photograph a little bit by having the t-shirt actually flapping in the wind. I think this pen is running out of ink. Okay, it's looking good. All right, that turned out very well. Very happy with that one. Oh damn, it all leaked through. That's annoying. Okay, instead I'm going to use just a regular biro. Let's try a normal biro. Okay, so this pose is, there's a delicacy about it. It's kind of cool. She's kind of got the fingers up like gang sign almost. There's a nice movement. Legs are crossed. Let's just jump straight into it, guys. Let's just do it. All right? So okay, that's that. Okay, let's do this one. So this one, all right, she's daydreaming. She is enjoying the afternoon on a nice grassy embankment. She is thinking about Domino's pizza, okay? Her legs are twiddling in the air and she's having a good time. So maybe landscape mode for this one, right? Okay. 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 That's about it, guys. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw random poses. Fascinating stuff. Thank you for watching.